If you are like me, you probably keep all your leftover seeds regardless of their expiration date. I also have many seeds that I wanted to plant but ran out of space or time, so I'm left with many seeds packets, plus those that I collect myself, but this will be in another video. So this is my way of storing the seed packets. This is a makeup storage container that I got for free from Freecycle. It has removable compartment walls that can be rearranged. I have the seeds in several groups: tomatoes and cucumbers, vegetables that I plant every year, vegetables that I plant when I have time and space, lettuce, vegetables that I never end up planting, herbs, useful flowers, beneficial, edible, and other flowers. I was also thinking of arranging them by the month they can be started, the plants. The packets are easy to take out and put back in. They are dry and protected from the sun. And there are extra pockets for my marking sticks and a marker. It zips up and I can take it outside even on a windy day or in a drizzle.